Hey guys, what's going on? I had someone ask me about an update on my computer uh, because I had the old Asus case before and I was having a problem with temperatures maybe and airflow. So I ended up buying the Lancool 3 and a new AIO cooler. I got a 140 millimeter AIO and I mounted it in there. And someone asked me if I was able to get all the 140 millimeter original fans from the case still able to fit, and I was. However, you're gonna have to mount that front bracket at a slight angle, leaning forwards, in order for your AIO to fit in there. And the top part is still not gonna clip. Like you'll see right there, it's still not totally clipped in. However, it's stable there. It's not going to fall out and it's not going to move forwards. You still have your grill is still going to stop it from moving. And then what I did was I bought rubber standoffs and I mounted a 120 millimeter fan in the back underneath the AIO because unfortunately the 140 millimeter fan that was there originally will not fit there anymore because the video card has a lip there. But everything else has been working pretty good. So, yeah, I hope that answers your questions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.